Most homeowners want to do whatever is necessary to protect their homes and families. For some, protection includes the addition of a home alarm. But with the introduction of Schlage's new built-in alarm lock, you can have safety, security, and peace of mind without investing in a full-blown alarm system. This Schlage lock is the only residential alarm lock that has 3 different alert settings. In Activity Alert, the alarm sounds with 2 short beeps to notify you when the door opens or closes. In Tamper Alert mode, it notifies you with 1 long alarm when someone even slightly moves the handle, such as during lock bumping attempts. The 3rd alert setting is Forced Entry mode, and as the name implies, signals a shrill, steady 3 minutes at 90 decibels when the door is opened by force, such as by kicking. The alarm lock can be installed in less than 5 minutes, requires no wiring, is guaranteed to fit on existing pre-drilled doors, and is simple to program. And since it is certified with one of the highest security ratings in the industry, you can rest assured that the welfare of both family and home are in good hands with Schlage.